I'm glad you came in to see me because I like to make your education smarter, not harder. And if we choose the right classes along the way, perhaps you won't have to take as many. So once you decide which college you might like to go to, let's look at the prereqs for that School of Social Work, School of Social Services, or School of Social Welfare, depending on which school you go to. If you work to achieve your DTA, a direct transfer agreement, that means you're getting the first 2 years in a 4-year degree. And that's great. But now let's take a look at what this means. If you transfer out of Pierce College with a DTA, you're guaranteed to get into your 4-year college. Let's say it's University of Washington, Tacoma. Well, if you apply in time, according to their deadline, and have a strong enough GPA, you will get into the school. But that doesn't mean you'll get into the School of Social Work. To get into the School of Social Work, they have some prerequisites. So let's make sure that you kill 2 birds with 1 stone and get out of Pierce College with the prerequisites to get into the School of Social Work. When you leave here, you'll apply both to your 4-year college and to the School of Social Work. And each school has a different requirement for their prerequisites. Let's make sure that those classes are also in your first 2 years so that you don't have to stall or waste some time while you're getting those prerequisites. So what I like to do is help you choose your classes here at Pierce College so you can get out of Pierce College as well as apply to the School of Social Work that you choose. So for example, if you want to go to the University of Washington, you're going to need a biology class, an economics class, and your statistics class. However, if you're choosing to go to St. Martin's, you want to choose a specific biology, which is Biology 175, and you're going to want to choose the specific econ class that they want. If you choose to go to Pacific Lutheran University, for example, you would choose anthropology over econ. And if you chose to go to Central Washington University, you have a couple choices in the math department. So come and see me and I can show you specifically which classes are required. However, remember that I can only tell you what Pierce requires to get out. It is up to the 4-year universities to say what they will accept and what they need to get out of their schools.